Welcome to United States of America Pavilion. Ano pang hinintay nyo? Tara na!
So guys, welcome to America Pavilion. This is American Pavilion, guys.
Brought the promise of gender freedom from anyone can also reach anyone.
Guys, nandito na kami sa loob. Wow! Wow! Ginig yung kanta.
One that creates opportunities for everyone to determine their own future. It's a future driven by American technology. Breakthroughs that have produced GPS, cloud computing, and advances that will continue to change and improve life as we know it. America is leading exploration of the final frontier with a new generation of spaceflight that is set to take humans back 400 kilometers over the Earth for over 20 years. NASA's Artemis program will inspire a new generation of scientists, engineers, astronauts, and more, landing the first woman and first person of color on the lunar surface. The Artemis program includes the establishment of both a base camp at the moon's south pole and the Gateway outpost in lunar orbit. Through the Artemis Accords, the United States will work with our international partners to establish a safe, peaceful, and prosperous future in deep space. Throughout the decade, we will study more of the moon than ever before, learning more about its history and our own home planet. Together, we'll create a future where American technologies and global collaboration fuel opportunity, mobility, and sustainability from the Earth to the moon. And now, far beyond. At this very moment, NASA's Curiosity and Perseverance rovers are conducting experiments that will help us safely set foot on the red planet.
Huh?
The United States has been exploring the Martian
Sayang
surface
eh.
for 17 uninterrupted years.
Maganda
And
to,
our
maganda.
ongoing exploration heralds a new age of space discovery.
kaya tayo. Ito muna tayo. Sayang oh, ganda. Wow!
We'll continue to move forward, inspired by the ideas that unite us.
Wow,
Solutions
guys.
to the world, cure disease, and create sustainable energy at home on planet Earth and beyond. All we need to do is look inward, upward, and forward, applying our unlimited creativity and capacity for innovation to the challenges of today and tomorrow. This is life, liberty, and the pursuit of the future.
Guys, grabe.
When it launched in 2003, folks at NASA thought it would be active for about 90 days or so. Ended up lasting more than 14 years, 57 times longer than they initially anticipated. It was finally disabled in a dust storm in 2018. Actually, if you want a little sad crying moment, its last message back to Earth was, "My battery is low and it's getting dark." You know, that's sad to think about. A little Wall-E moment right there. But no, it was incredibly successful. Although it is disabled, we do still have 2 active rovers on Mars. Curiosity was launched about a decade ago, and Perseverance, which you can see on the wall to my left, behind you for you folks, and in front of you for the others. That is the most recent one. It landed earlier this year. Cool little story, anecdote quickly. Perseverance was up driving around Mars, looking for Martians, as Mars rovers do, and it noticed something off in the distance. What could it be? It's a silhouette, pretty decent size. It's not an animal, not a large rock or anything. Turned out to be the disabled body of Opportunity. What are the odds that on a planet the size of Mars, roughly the same as Earth, you're going to find something this size just out in the wasteland? That moment obviously went viral. It was all over Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, wherever you get your funny cat videos from. And it was like 2 long-lost siblings finally reuniting after years apart. If you have any questions about the rover or anything you've seen here at USA Pavilion thus far, I'd be happy to help try and answer them. If not, highly recommend checking out the SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket outside on the ramp. That's also where you can get your passport stamped about halfway down the ramp. Thanks so much for visiting, and I hope you've had a great experience here at USA Pavilion.
Excellent. What's the weight though?
What's the weight? That's a great question. It's about like, God, I know, I looked this up the other day. We're really testing my knowledge here.
Guess.
Yes? It isn't that heavy. Like it, do you want it in pounds or kilos?
Doesn't matter.
It's like 200, 300 pounds, something like that. So, I don't even know what that is in kilos. But, of course, America has used a system that no one else ever uses. But, yeah, it really isn't that heavy. Again, this is just a replica, so the real one I would imagine is going to be that heavy. Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. I don't know exactly what this is. Or what's this way. It's a real one. Probably weighs somewhere in Hi everyone, if you haven't had a chance, highly recommend checking out our lunar sample. You guys touched the moon already? Yes? No? Yeah. You guys touched the moon? Good. Love it. Those of you who are just hanging around here, again, this is a replica of our Mars Opportunity rover. One of 5 rovers in the United States has landed on Mars since 1997. This third last time, launching in 2003, landed in 2004. It's really cool opportunity and folks at NASA thought it would only be active for about 90 days or so. Ended up
So, original siya.
Thank you so much.
Welcome to USA.
So what's up guys? Tapos na tayo sa American Pavilion. See the rocket. Yeah.